Question number 1. Who was the first president of the Constitution Assembly of Pakistan? Answer. Quaid-e-Azam. Question number 2. After how many years Pakistan got its first constitution? Answer. 9 years. Question number 3. Which document was firstly drafted to give base to constitution making process? Answer. Objective resolution. Question number 4. When the Constitution Assembly passed the objective resolution? Answer. 12 March 1949. Question number 5. When Muhammad Ali Bogra presented the Bogra formula in the Assembly? Answer. October 1953. Question number 6. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra? Answer. Prime Minister. Question number 7. What is the other name of Muhammad Ali Bogra formula? Answer. Constitutional formula. Question number 8. When first Constitution of Pakistan was enforced? Answer. 23 March 1956. Question number 9. Who was Prime Minister of Pakistan during enforcement of first Constitution? Answer. Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Question number 10. What official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 Constitution? Answer. Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Question number 11. What age was prescribed for president in 1956 Constitution? Answer. 40 years old. Question number 12. In respect of religion, what term was set for president and prime minister in 1956 Constitution? Answer. He must be a Muslim. This condition is not applicable on PM. Question number 13. What was the official language declared in Constitution of 1956? Answer. Urdu and Bengali. Question number 14. Who abrogated Constitution of 1956? Answer. Iskandar Mirza. Question number 15. When the first constitution was abrogated and martial law was proclaimed? Answer. October 1958. Question number 16. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? Answer. 8 June 1962. Question number 17. Which kind of system of government was introduced by the 1962 constitution? Answer. Presidential. Question number 18. When the Constitution of 1962 was abrogated? Answer. The 20th of March 1969. Exact date is the 25th of March. Question number 19. Who abrogated 1962 Constitution and became CMLA? Answer. Jain Yahya Khan. Question number 20. When Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto launched a new constitution in the country? Answer. 14 August 1973. Question number 21. Which kind of system of government was introduced in 1973 Constitution? Answer. Parliamentary. Question number 22. Who elects the President according to 1973 Constitution? Answer. National Assembly, Senate, Provincial Assemblies. Question number 23. Who elects the Prime Minister according to 1973 Constitution? Answer. National Assembly. Question number 24. In which constitution bicameral legislature was provided for the first time? Answer. Constitution in 1973. Question number 25. In the Constitution of 1973, what age is specified for a person to contest the election to National Assembly? Answer. 25 years. Question number 26. In Constitution, what number of seats in the Senate was set? Answer. 100 seats. Question number 27. According to 1973 Constitution, what is the term of the office of President? Answer. 5 years. Question number 28. Article 58, 2b, of the Constitution 1973 is about? Answer. Power of President to dissolve National Assembly. Question number 29. How many articles were there in the Constitution of 1956? Answer. 234 articles. Question number 30. How many articles were there in the Constitution of 1962? Answer. 250 articles.